Welcome back to SAS Beast Pro. Today we're diving into 7 hidden windows, 11 tricks that change everything, showing you tips that make your workflow faster and smarter. Now let's get started. Number 1. Enable Clipboard History to copy multiple items. This trick lets you store and access multiple copied items at once, saving time and streamlining your workflow by eliminating repetitive copying. It's a simple feature that can completely change how you manage text and files. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. This is the central hub for customizing your Windows experience. Step 2. Click System from the left menu to access core system settings. Step 3. Select Clipboard to open Clipboard-related options. Step 4. Turn on the toggle for Clipboard History, enabling Windows to remember multiple copied items. Step 5. Press Windows plus V to view and use your copied items anytime. Every copy now stacks quietly in the background, ready when you need it. Number 2. Create a God Mode folder for all settings. This trick gives you instant access to every Windows 11 setting in one place, saving time and simplifying navigation. It's perfect for power users who want full control at their fingertips. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Right-click on your desktop in an empty space. This opens the context menu where you can create new items. Step 2. Hover over New and select Folder from the submenu. This creates a standard new folder on your desktop. Step 3. Rename the folder exactly as follows. The code is in the description box. Make sure to copy it precisely to activate the feature. Step 4. Press Enter. The folder icon will instantly change to the control panel icon, signaling that God Mode is ready. Step 5. Double-click the new icon to open your God Mode folder. Inside, you'll find all Windows tools and settings neatly categorized for fast access. Number 3. Use Title Bar Shake to minimize clutter. This hidden Windows 11 trick lets you instantly focus on the window you're actively working with by temporarily hiding all other open windows. It's a simple but powerful way to declutter your screen and stay productive, especially when multitasking with multiple apps or documents. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open all the windows you're currently working with so everything you might need is ready and visible on your screen. This sets you up to quickly choose which window to focus on. Step 2. Click and hold the title bar, which is the top edge of the window you want to focus on. Make sure you grab it firmly so the shake works properly. Step 3. Shake the window quickly back and forth with your mouse. Instantly, all other windows will minimize automatically, leaving only the window you're working on visible, which helps reduce distractions. Step 4. To bring the minimized windows back, simply shake the same window again. All your previously minimized windows will reappear exactly where they were, letting you pick up right where you left off. Number 4. Set up virtual desktops for separate workspaces. Virtual desktops help you organize your tasks, keeping work, entertainment, and personal projects separate. This improves focus and workflow efficiency, making multitasking smoother and less cluttered. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Task View, press Win, plus, tab or click the Task View icon on your taskbar next to the search bar to see your current desktops and open windows. Step 2. In Task View, click New Desktop at the top left corner. Your new desktop will appear as Desktop 2, Desktop 3, and so on. Step 3. Use Ctrl plus, Win plus, left-right arrow to move between desktops instantly, or open Task View and click the desktop you want. Step 4. Open Task View, then drag any open window from one desktop thumbnail to another to reorganize your workspace. Number 5. Use Voice. Typing with auto-punctuation. This feature lets you dictate text hands-free while Windows automatically adds punctuation, saving time and reducing typing errors. It's a game changer for efficiency and multitasking on Windows 11. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Place your cursor in any text field where you want to type, such as Notepad, Word, or a browser. Step 2. Press Win+H on your keyboard to launch the voice typing toolbar. Step 3. If prompted, allow Windows to access your microphone so it can capture your voice accurately. Step 4. Click the Settings gear icon on the voice typing toolbar and toggle Auto Punctuation to On. This ensures Windows automatically adds periods, commas, question marks, and exclamation points as you speak. Step 5. Click the microphone button or press Win+H again to start dictation. Speak naturally, and Windows will type your words with punctuation automatically. Step 6. Click the microphone button again or press Win+H to stop dictation whenever you're done. Number 6. Configure Taskbar Alignment to the left. Aligning your taskbar to the left not only improves accessibility, but also gives a more familiar and classic Windows layout, making it easier to navigate and boosting productivity for daily tasks. This small yet powerful tweak can subtly change how you interact with your desktop, helping you work faster and feel more in control of your workspace. Let's do it. Step 1. Right-click an empty area on your taskbar to open the context menu and reveal all the available options you can customize. Step 2. Click on Taskbar Settings to open the Settings window, where a variety of personalization options for your taskbar are waiting. Step 3. In the Settings window, scroll down carefully and click to expand Taskbar Behaviors, which contains several useful adjustments that can enhance your workflow. Step 4. Locate the Taskbar Alignment drop-down menu, which controls the positioning of all your taskbar icons and the Start button. Step 5. Click the drop-down menu and select Left from the options, shifting your taskbar icons from the default centered layout to the left side, giving a cleaner and more traditional look to your desktop. Number 7. Set custom backgrounds for each virtual desktop. Customizing each virtual desktop with a unique background helps you visually distinguish workspaces, boosting productivity and keeping your focus clear while switching between tasks. This small change can make your Windows 11 experience feel more organized and personal. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Task View by pressing Win+Tab or clicking the Task View icon on your taskbar to see all your virtual desktops. Step 2. Select a desktop by clicking the plus icon to create a new one, or click an existing desktop thumbnail to activate it. Step 3. Right-click the desktop thumbnail you want to customize and select Choose Background from the context menu to start personalizing. Step 4. In the Personalize Your Background settings, choose Picture from the drop-down menu, then click Browse Photos to find and set your desired image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows 11 tips.